Hey guys, it's Lydia here. So for today's video, I thought I would show you some of my favorite ways that I like to wear these mom jeans that I got from Goodwill. I really love them. They're super cute. They're great for summer. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. So for this first outfit, I'm starting with this striped t-shirt that I got from Walmart, tucked into those mom jeans. And then I decided to pop on a jean jacket over top just to make it a little more fun. And this is great if it's a cooler day and you just want a little more warmth. And obviously I'm wearing the mom jeans. Again, I got these from Goodwill. I really like them and I love the light wash color. And lastly, I am wearing these kind of dirty white sneakers. I really love these. I got them from Walmart. They're super chill and great for year-round. And that's the outfit. I really love this denim on denim kind of 80s throwback look. I think it's super cute and very easily worn. And this one is great because you can change it very easily to different styles. You know, change it to skinny jeans if you want. I mean, I know this video is about mom jeans, but you know, make it your own style. You don't have to wear the sneakers. You could wear a different kind of jacket on top. Just kind of play around and make it till it's you. For outfit number 2, I am starting with this feather tank top that I DIY'd. You know the video is linked above and below. And then I am wearing this plaid button-up from Goodwill and this cute little layered necklace from Walmart. And for this outfit, I didn't wear shoes because it was extremely hot when filming this, but if I was going to wear shoes, I'd probably wear some cute chunky sandals. But that is it for this outfit. I love this kind of light layers for summer, but if you wanted to, you could totally wear this year-round and add some like sneakers or boots. It's really cute. Like the last outfit, it's very easy to change to your own personal style, and it's just like a cute little chill outfit for at home. I'm really excited about this next outfit. I'm starting with this floral top that I got from Walmart that I think is just so pretty and kind of a different look with the mom jeans. And then for shoes, I'm wearing these super cute open-toe booties that I got from Walmart. And that's the outfit. I love this totally different way to wear the mom jeans. Before it was more casual, but this is definitely a little more kind of put together, you know, a little more kind of, I don't know, just a little more fancy. And I think it's super cute. I love dressing up every now and then, and this is just the perfect outfit to do it in. So for outfit number 4, the last and final outfit, sadly, I am wearing this Superman t-shirt that was actually my brother's, and I ended up kind of cutting it up and making it for me, and this is from Walmart. And then I'm just wearing these high top sneakers from Amazon. And that's the outfit. This has been one of my favorites recently. I think it's so cute and so chill, and I love just the kind of darker look to it while still being really fun for summer. Guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Be sure to subscribe below, and I will see you on Monday for a hairstyling video. Bye guys!